Hello, Rich Karuba once again for bowlingball.com. Let's talk about the new brand, Pyramid brand. It offers some great bowling price packages for you. Some of the examples are the Pyramid Path ball and the bag combo. That's a good polyester ball with their bowling bag, and also we also have the Pyramid Path combination available in ball bag and bowling shoes. Individually, you can find the Pyramid Path blue, black, and white product as example, priced at only $54.99 at the time I'm recording this video, and it offers a polished polyester cover stock. It looks great, fits bowlers of all skill levels, works great on dry lanes or for shooting spares, and there's other color combinations as well, so please check them out. The Pyramid Path single deluxe tote bag, the black on black bag, for example, we think is going to be a popular and stylish seller. It's priced only at $34.99. It holds a ball, has 600 denier fabric, so you can tell it's sturdy, holds up to size 16 bowling shoe. So it accommodates you with a pouch and so on, so you can carry all the accessories you need in and out of the bowling center. And there's other colors as well, so please check on those. The Pyramid Men's Ram Black, for example, that bowling shoe model is only $44.99. It's a great shoe for $44.99. It's classy and stylish. It's easy to break in. It has a great smooth sliding sole for a consistent slide action. It's a universal shoe for left and right-handed bowlers, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. It's hard to beat that. There's also a shoe for the kids, and that's the Pyramid Youth Skull green and black shoe. It's similar to the men's Ram model. So for $44.99, you've got the spectrum covered. And there's no question Pyramid is in a new class of its own, and I think that you're going to see great things in the future from Pyramid bowling products. Anyway, I hope some of this tips helps you. Take advantage of these combination prices. Read the article on our site. Check some of the technical information about the products, and we hope all that helps you find just what you're looking for. Thank you.